It all starts with a dream.
From your local cafe and daily chat with your barista, to your favourite franchise, they all begin with a unique vision.
But the big picture only comes together when the little details are assured. The temperature is just right, the grind is fine, the slice is inch perfect, and it's always cooked to perfection.
That's why we created a kitchen for the dreamers, where you can experience your new equipment in action to bring your vision to reality and get it right for your customers every time.
It's a space to touch, feel and test for all the delicious fare you're planning on serving in your kitchen. From cooking to coffee, from slicing to juicing, from deep frying to washing it all up at the end of the day. It's all available to see and try in our kitchen.
It's called the Dream Kitchen because at Flexikitch, whether you're building a restaurant, cafe, retail or grocery store or anything in between, we'll back your dream.
We welcome you to come along and experience the Flexikitch Dream Kitchen today.